Keep it clean here, guys. Let's have a nice clean start. And good job. Great job, guys. Jason's going to come around and lead the first lap. 8 into the 2. Chris in the 3. Gary and Ben all kinds of crossed up there on the opening lap. Aiden now all over. Jason for the lead. Jason gets it wrong. Aiden going to go to the point. Chris right there. Oh, Aiden gets it wrong. Jason back to the point. Here comes Parker. Parker pumping up from the beat lane, trying to work his way to the front. Jason out with about a straightaway lead over Chris in the 2 spot. Aiden gets it wrong again. Parker and Aiden go side by side, door to door through the center section. Jason keeping it smooth and consistent out front, trying to work through the traffic. Caution on the wall line and we're clear.
Followed by Chris Colbach in 7th place. Followed by
Aiden getting up next to Chris there, working for the 2nd spot. Aiden's going to go through. Here comes Parker, all kinds of traffic in front of him. Oh, good move there from Parker on a wall ride. He moves up into the 3rd spot. All that battle and let Jason get away out front. Hot lap of the race. Jason ends at 9.581. Top 3 spread out a good distance now. Gary Glander moving in on Parker Glander. That might be a good battle for the 3rd spot here. Oh, Parker gets it wrong, but he saves it somehow. Going off of the table.
After 2 minutes,
Jason coming up on some traffic in front of him. Chris Evans, the leader, coming up behind you.
7th place. Followed by Parker Glander in 3rd place.
Aiden trying to make some inroads here. Once again, Ben and Chris, that is the leader behind you.
Sean, get water.
Oh, Jason gets it wrong, trying to get by Ben. Nice shot, Ben. Wait. And now Parker back all over Aiden for the 2 spot. Oh, Aiden gets it wrong up on the table, but he saves it. Parker's going to go to the 2. Gary to the 3. Aiden back to the 4 now. About 2 minutes and 10 seconds left here. Some instant that's down the back straightaway there. Oh, Parker getting it wrong up on the table. Here comes Gary Linder for the 2nd spot.
Followed by Parker Glander in 7th place. Followed by Gary Glander in 3rd place.
Chris Leader coming up behind you there. The pink and purple and blue. Nice job, thank you. Awesome in the center section and clear. Whoa, my goodness gracious. So Gary moving up to the 2 spot now. Jason's still about half the track ahead in the lead. Jason down the front straightaway. Gary working through the center section. Parker closing back in on Gary as we get caution in the center.
After 4 minutes, 1 second. The top drivers are Jason Ince in 1st place, followed by Gary Glander in 2nd place, followed by Parker Glander in 5th place.
Oh, caution after the table. Played a good marshal work there. Oh, caution before the small table. Clear. Jason coming up on some traffic. That's 3rd place. Parker Glander right in front of him. Chris kind of getting himself out of the way there. Jason enjoying a 6.7 second lead with just 10 seconds left to go.
5, 4, 3, 2, Chris Holbach duck. Ben Steffen duck. Gary Glider duck. Parker Glider duck. Jason Diaz duck. Doug Mamick duck. Abel Pro duck. All drivers are finished.
And everybody is done. Jason going to take the bump up spot in that one. 30 laps at a 5:07. Gary in the 2 mark 3. Chris 4 and Doug the 5.
The race is completed.
Back to my munchies.
Ooh, munchies.